Hi Caroline, this is a short video on the testHarness app. I've sent you a URL which will take you to this web page you're seeing in front of you here, and if you go there on your iPhone 4S and download the app to your phone from your phone's browser. Just before I show you anything else, just want to show you this URL here. This is where the file, this is the folder where on the server, on my server, which will be where audio files are uploaded to. I'll just do a refresh here and you can see there's nothing in there for now. Okay, I'm just going to get the phone going so you can see it on here. Right, I'm going to go to that same page and click on the link. I will ask you to install. You say OK, install. You leave the browser, go to the desktop, and you wait for it to install. Okay, we're installed. It's a bit slow on iPhone 4S. And first thing we'll do is record some audio. Let's record the first bit. Let's see, it is now 15:12 in the UK. That's all you do. Let's record something else. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Okay, now we got a couple. We could record some more, but and we can upload either of these files. You could have selected something to upload it. Let's upload the, let's upload the time one. So you can see that's now starting to upload. It's very basic tech stuff in here. We don't have any fancy stuff, but you can see the app there thinks it's been uploaded. Okay, so I'm now going to move the phone aside. We don't need that anymore, I don't think. So now if I refresh this, we should be able to see a file that we've just uploaded. So there it is. And we'll play it. It's a CAF file. Let's see, it is now 15:12 in the UK. Okay, hope you can hear that. So how does that work? First of all, let's have a look at the stuff that's on the server side. So this .lc file, all this does is lists what files are in the folder, and that's what it displays the folder, so the file, so we can play it. This live code server file, filecatcher.lc. First of all, it checks for password, which is sausages at the moment. It's all very basic. Takes the data that's been posted up to by the app and saves it as a file name. You can see we're sending up there password, the name, that's the name of the file, the time that was sent up, seconds, and the text itself, which is the binary itself, which is encoded 64. Let's see if you can see here. Okay, so this is where we record audio. Stop recording here, and we upload here. It's all very basic again. It does work. It did take me quite a little bit of messing about to be able to get it to record. For some reason, I found it hard to do. Well, just as you and Krista have been finding it hard, but actually uploading it to the server was fine. I suppose if this works for you, I suppose the next stage might be we've got this catches the file, filecatcher.lc. We could do an equivalent of that in PHP on your server, unless of course you've got live code installed, in which case, fine. And if PHP works in your server, assuming you don't have live code installed, then I suppose we could then end up eventually writing a Cold Fusion version of this. Once you've got it stuck in the correct folder, hopefully with the correct name in it, then your Cold Fusion website will be able to find and use it normally. Hope that makes sense. Get in touch so we can talk about it more, and I'll be sending you all the files so you can check them out. Thanks very much. Bye.